Okay, so how we can help children, okay, develop awareness about phonemes. Okay, so phonemic awareness instruction. How, as a teacher, how you can help your children develop phonemic awareness. So there are certain, you can say, stages, or you can say activities with which you can indulge your children in some sort of activities in the class where they can learn about and they can develop phonemic awareness. The first one is phoneme isolation. So the term itself suggests isolation is isolate. So what you are doing here is you are trying to isolate the phonemes, right? So what is phoneme isolation? Okay, recognizing individual sounds in a word. Okay, so what you need to remember is, so far whatever I am doing, because I have to in a way help you think about, because many of you might be aware of, might be knowing whatever I'm teaching you right now. For some it may be new. Okay, even like in order to help you, in order to bring this lesson to you, I have also done a lot of, you can say, readings from different websites, different research materials. Even I have used so many, you can say, information that I have learned during one of my online course. Okay, online courses on language acquisition and literacy development, and the stages, what are the important things. So whatever I am telling you is based on so many, you can say, sources. Okay, so that I just can help you learn about all this. So many of you might be aware of
Find in a word.
this. Okay, so for some it may be a kind of revision, for some it may be new. Okay, so phoneme isolation is recognizing individual sounds in a word. So whatever we are right now discussing, you can see these in print, isn't it? So when you taking class on phonemic awareness, most of the activities would be oral, auditory. You will speak the word and you will make your children identify or isolate the phoneme. Clear? And for that, children need to be taught the alphabets, isn't it? Alphabets, the sounds, okay, each letter produces. Okay, so we will come to that later. So phoneme isolation is recognizing individual sounds in a word. So when I say a word, so as a teacher, like when I say a word, your children has to, in a way, understand the sound, the phoneme for the different, you can say, parts of that word. Okay. So for example, as a teacher, you can ask this question to your children. What is the first sound in dog, fish, pen, cat, lock? Right. So if you just, these are some examples. So when you ask your children, what is the first sound in dog? You just say dog and let your children find out, isolate. What you are doing is you are isolating the phoneme, because dog is one word, isn't it? One syllable, right? So here I have chosen all the words with just one syllable. Okay, so for children also we begin with one syllable and then gradually we shift to two syllable word, right? And then three. So first syllable word. So what is the first sound in dog?
D,
The,
D,
the,
right? D.
the, the,
Good. Yeah. So some children might, okay, I don't know why my word is echoing back.
point. Yeah.
Some children might say it's D. So as a teacher, what you need to do is you need to
The,
teach your children the difference between the letter D and D. D is the name of the letter, right? Whereas the sound is D,
the.
right? So this is what happens in phonics instruction. The relationship between the sound and symbol. Symbol means the letter. Okay? So phonemic awareness and then phonics. This is how they are related. Okay? D is the sound for D. Okay? So when you tell the word dog and tell what is asked, what is the first sound in dog, they should be able to say d.